Example 2, solve the system when it's in word problem form. So first thing we want to do is read the problem. Molly and Paul each improved their yard by planting hostess and shrubs. They bought their supplies from the same store. Molly spent 113 on 11 hostess and 5 shrubs. Paul spent 97 on 9 hostess and 5 shrubs. What is the cost of 1 hosta and the cost of 1 shrub? So we want to highlight key information first. So Molly spent 113 on 11 hostas, 5 shrubs. And then Paul is important, spent $97, 9 hostas, and 5 shrubs. Okay, so that's key information. So now we want to identify our variables. So one of our variables is hostas, and then the other one is shrubs. Okay, so now we set up our equation. I know that Molly will have an equation. Let's move it over a little bit. We know that Molly will have an equation, and we know that Paul will have an equation. Okay, so Molly's equation, 11 hostas, so 11H, and 5 shrubs for a total of $113. In Paul's equation, 9 hostas, so 9H, plus 5 shrubs for a total of $97. Okay, so we have both of our equations in standard form. And now the easiest method to use here is elimination. Since we have coefficients that are the same, we just need to have one of them be negative. I'm going to make the bottom negative by multiplying everything by -1. So the top stays the same, 11H plus 5S equals 113. And in the bottom we distribute the -1. So -1 times 9 is -9H. -1 times 5S is -5S. And then -1 times 97 is -97. Alright, so now we can add the two equations together. We have 11H minus 9H is 2H. And then 5S minus 5S eliminates. So then we have 113 minus 97, which is 16. To get H by itself, I divide by 2 on both sides. So H equals 8. So the cost of hosta, 1 hosta, is $8. Okay, and then to figure out the cost of 1 shrub, I have to go back and plug the H into one of the 2 original equations. Let's plug it into the bottom one. So I have 9 times 8 plus 5S equals 97. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 5S equals 97. I have to get S by itself, so I subtract 72 on both sides. So I have 5S equals 25. And then to get the S by itself, I divide by 5 on both sides. So S equals 5. So it's $5, the cost of 1 shrub.